you're gonna make this look good, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I first joined the Y 10 years ago as a stay-at-home mom. Didn't know anyone here in the community, didn't have any friends. As soon as I joined the Y, I felt right at home. I met so many people and started taking group exercise classes here. I could put my kids in stay and play for 2 hours and have some me time, which was great. Then I decided that I wanted to try to help other people do the same thing that I did. So I got my personal training certification and I've been training for 6 years. About 2 years ago, I decided that I wanted to teach group exercise classes. So I started teaching Tabata, which is a high intensity interval training class. It's run on a timer. We do 20 seconds of all-out work and 10 seconds of rest. It's a great class because you get it over with in a half an hour. And for people like me who aren't really into cardio, it's perfect. And I also add weights into my class, so we get a little strength and cardio all at the same time. I think what sets the Y apart from other organizations is the people and the community. We involve all ages here at the Y. We have everything from parents and children swimming together to seniors playing bingo and getting together and just having a good time. So that sets us apart from the rest.